Once upon a time, there was a boy named Max and a bunny named Lily. Now you see, Lily was a normal bunny. She could turn into a human girl. Max knew about this, but no one else knew. One day, Max's friend came over. Max was playing with Lily because he wanted it to seem real. Then Lily ran away. Max said, "Wait here, I'll be right back," to his friend. But his friend didn't listen. He went beside. Oh my God. Bro.
No, no importa, esas botas son buenísimas.
Ah, pues te la lleva esta para qué.
Bro. Hold on. Beside them and saw Lily turn back into a human. Max saw this and told his friend to not tell anyone. His friend said okay, but his friend knew that he could get Max to do anything for him to not tell the secret, so he told everyone. Everyone Max's secret. Lily went to the friend's house and kidnapped him and killed Max's friend. Then Lily and Max lived happily ever after. The end. Awesome. Also, all the talking is because I'm at my grandma's house. So yeah. Anyway, bye.